Okay, here it is, folks, my bug out van. 03 Spinner, just turned over 200,000 miles, and this thing runs like a tugboat. So I put in an AC300 and a B300. I'm going to take a little tour here. Let's see, forgot to unlock it. Okay, so just inside the door, here is the B300. And there's my refrigerator right on top of it. So we're just inside the sliding door. So let's go on up in here and take a look at what's going on. So this nice piece of wood here is a dining table that pops up to a dining table height, and then this is the seat. And so I'm gonna put that thing back in place here. Okay, and so there is the AC300, and you can see the B300 back in there. Here is my solar input, 300 watts of solar on the roof. Now this is the AC wires going out to all the outlets through the van, the AC outlets. My generator and shore power wires came in, and I put them in a receptacle. And the yellow cord you see there is my air conditioner, which is on the roof. 11,000 BTU. Let's see what's going on down here. So you get a little better look. And so there are my AC cables. They go down there and hit the floor, and then they come around the front here. And they're right there. And let's see, we'll take another look here and see. There's where they plug in. So that's all just feeding the AC outlets in the van. Here's my 12 volt, and that is coming right out of the, this is the RV cable, and here is the other end of the RV cable. So there's a 12 volt supply. This is the lower power, the cigarette lighter, this power in the refrigerator right off of the AC300. So let's see, what else do we need to know? Here, the red wire, and you'll see there is a fuse block with no fuse in it. That is coming right off of my alternator. I get 14.4 volts and 95 amp alternator. I'm trying to figure out how to utilize that. So any suggestions would be welcome. As you can see, I barely had room to get out of the AC300 and make this loop-de-loop and get into the B300. I really lucked out on that. So I think I'm good. There I've got a chassis ground right there. And like I said, this is the power off of the alternator. And so this is the main AC charger here, so it's not plugged in. So that's the story.